Hello, today in this video let us see some more problems on regular expressions. The first problem is obtain a regular expression representing a language consisting of at least one A and at least one B where sigma is equal to ABC. The string with at least one A and one B is AB or BA, and the regular expression can be written as AB plus BA. Minimally there should be at least one A and one B, but maximally there can be any number of A's, B's and C's in the string. So we can add any combinations of A's, B's and C's in all possible places in the string AB or BA. So the final string can be written as shown here, that is A plus B plus C whole star A, then A plus B plus C whole star B, then A plus B plus C whole star. That means we have added A plus B plus C whole star between AB at the beginning and at the end. Similarly for the string BA, we added at the beginning, in the middle as well as at the end. One more problem is obtain a regular expression representing strings of A's and B's ending with B and has no substring AA. Strings with no substring AA means there should not be two continuous A's. The minimum length string without continuous two A's and ending with B is either AB or B. But the string may contain any number of B's or AB's. So the regular expression for this condition is AB plus B whole star. So the final regular expression we are going to get by combining these two regular expressions as AB plus B into AB plus B whole star. That means this is the minimum string, and if we add this, it will be having a maximum number of A's and B's ending with B. The next problem is obtain a regular expression representing strings of zeros and ones having no two consecutive zeros. No two continuous zeros means we can have either 0 1 or 1 0 repeated strings. 0 1 may have optional 1 written as epsilon plus 1 at beginning and optional 0 written as 0 plus epsilon at the ending. Similarly, the string 1 0 may have optional 0 at the beginning and optional 1 at the ending. So the final regular expression is 1 plus epsilon optional 0 1 whole star, this can repeat any number of times, and optional 0 at the end, 0 plus epsilon. Similarly for the other combination 1 0, we have optional 0 at the beginning, optional 1 at the ending. Next problem we have is obtain a regular expression representing strings of A's and B's starting with A and ending with B. The format of strings starting with A and ending with B is AWB, where W can be a substring of A's and B's of any length. That means between A and B we can have any number of A's and B's repeated. So that can be written as A plus B whole star. Hence the final regular expression is A at the beginning, B at the ending, in between any number of A's and B's, hence the regular expression. Next problem is obtain a regular expression representing strings of A's and B's whose second symbol from the right end is A. That means the first symbol from the right end can be either A or B, can be written as A plus B. The second symbol from the right end must be A. The regular expression till second symbol can be written as A into A plus B. The third symbol from the right end can begin with any combination of a's and b's that can be written as a plus b whole star. Hence the final regular expression is a plus b whole star a into a plus b. Next we have obtain a regular expression representing strings of a's and b's whose length is either even or multiples of 3 or both. The regular expression for even strings, as we have learnt in the previous videos, is a plus b into a plus b whole star. So strings of multiples of 3 means minimum there can be 3 characters in the string. So each character can be either a or b. That is a plus b into a plus b into a plus b whole star. So 3 characters repeated any number of times. So multiples of 3. So the final regular expression is a plus b into a plus b whole star, even expression, a plus b into a plus b into a plus b whole star. So this is the multiple of 3. So if we combine these two, we will be getting the condition, that is both, as given in the question. Hope you understood. Link to the previous video is given in the description box.